Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to go over gauge options for your 88 to 98 OBS GM truck. It's going to cover the Tahoe and Suburban. If you've got a HD model, double check the look in your dash as some were a carryover. Let's check out our 88 to 94 first. This is our 88 to 94 panel with our Performance 2 gauges installed in white. These really make the dash pop and ditch this factory look for something that can truly provide the readings you need on your factory or aftermarket engine. Now let's talk about our 95 to 98 dash shown here. Talk about custom. CFR series in blue really puts things over the top. If you want to wow your friends and family in the next car show, install a set of CFR gauges. Now let's talk a little bit more about gauge kits in general from New Vintage USA. 88 to 98 kits from New Vintage USA for the GM trucks are designed to fit in the factory location, upgrading the style and functionality of your dash. Available 88 to 98 kits bolt right in, offering the flexibility to position the gauge how you see fit for a truly custom look. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge styles, mounting brackets, wiring harnesses, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination from old school carbs to modern engines driven by OE and aftermarket PCMs. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be something that's right for you. Bold graphics and LED lighting make the gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design, with exciting styles making a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have something truly special for your ride. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on OE military and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push performance over the top. Wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive system that reduces wiring by 75% and dramatically decreases installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring available on the market, even a novice builder can have professional results that look just as good as they do from the back as they do on the front. Simplify things even further using our SnapAdapt plug-and-play harness for an even easier installation by plugging directly into the factory harness. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.